Hey guys, hear the barks? It's because I'm just turning on this. Hear the rooster? That's legit. Anyways, maybe it isn't. The biggest reason why I'm here is I just wanted to show you this rust here. I wanted to get in close and see if we thought that rust is, if those pockets are drilled. That's what I'm looking for. If these little guys right here, because I can feel them penetrate, I can feel them above in ways more than I can feel them underneath. So hopefully we get a good visual of them. There's that sun, there we go. This will tell me how well the camera does. Peace out from the Tin Man. Getting them on the side there. Yeah, that was two. There's peacock, roosters, and the guy might have that good of a farm. Okay? And I haven't tried to interact with those animals at all. But I have, sitting here, interacted with the dogs that were making noises, and they were exchanging back that they were interacting with me, so. And all they have to do is know that they're fooling the farmer, that they're not sounding like they're barking from his yard if it's not his dog. You get that? Remember the mimickers.